So I had an FUT procedure done by Dr. Pak. I feel like I've always had a little bit of a larger forehead, and it bothered me when I would tie my hair up, so it was just something I always wanted to fix. I was researching a bunch of doctors because any procedure I get, I want to make sure it's the best. After all my research on Real Self and websites like that, I just found that Dr. Pak had the best reviews and the best outcomes, so I went with Dr. Pak, and I'm so happy about it. The procedure itself was super easy. I was actually really surprised. Dr. Pak was just super helpful on like the whole process. Any concerns that I had, I did have like a pimple grow in at one point. I reached out to him and he explained that it was probably something so minor. I came into the office and he was so helpful. He like got rid of it, and yeah, he's just been great along the whole way. Since I got my procedure a year ago, I felt so much more confident. I wear my hair up all the time now, and I just feel like my hair is a lot fuller, my face is framed. Getting the procedure was probably like one of the best ideas I ever followed through with, and I'm really happy with how easy and good the procedure went.